Hey everyone, it is Michael here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from any image for free using a fantastic online tool called Remove.bg. Let's dive in. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Remove.bg. This is the website we'll be using to remove the background from our images. It's super easy to use and gets the job done quickly. Once you're on the Remove.bg website, simply click on the Upload Image button and select the image you want to work with. Make sure your image has a clear subject against a contrasting background for the best results. Now, watch as Remove.bg works its magic. It automatically detects the subject in your image and removes the background in just a matter of seconds. It's like having your own personal photo editor at your fingertips. Now, all that's left to do is download your edited image. Simply click on the download button and you're good to go. And there you have it, folks. Removing the background from any image has never been easier thanks to Remove.bg. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll give Remove.bg a try for yourself. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.